Hey guys, this is Lily with Impossible Things, and the project that I have for you today is to create a big square pocket that has a pocket there, a pocket there, and then depending on how you glue it down, you could have a pocket there or a side pocket, and then this flap, this could be a pocket or it could just flip open and you can use it as a journaling spot. So what you're going to need to make this project is your photo album, but we're going to set that aside for a minute. You're going to need a bone folder, and you're going to need this sheet from the kit. And you'll also need some glue or some score tape. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut this strip off the top because we don't need that. Let's see. And then you're going to have to decide, what do you want on the inside of the pocket? What do you want on the outside? I like this for the outside, so I think I'm going to put that face down. And the first thing we want to do is we want to take this and fold it top to bottom or bottom to top. Line it up as best as you can. And then what I do is I bring my thumbs down, slide across, and then take your bone folder and crease it. Okay, so you've got the opening up here. And now we're going to fold. And then now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to go left to right. So we're making a square right here. So take it and then line it up as best as you can. Again, I'm going to get those edges straight and fold and crease again. I'm going to crease this again. So you've got a fold here and a fold here, and now it's become a nice square. Okay. Now I've messed up a little bit and it's not lined up over here. So at this point you can trim down if you kind of messed up, which I'm going to do. I'm going to trim it a little bit. Apparently my glasses are not that good and I missed that. Okay. Yep, just a nice little trim there. Okay. Next thing we're going to do, you've still got the openings up at the top. All right. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this one corner and we're going to take this corner and have it meet up over here on this side. So just very carefully so you don't tear your paper, you want to line that corner up there and then crease it. There you go. Okay. Now we've got this next one here. We've got that there. Okay. So now this next one, you're going to bring it down, but you're not going to come down all the way, because what this is going to do is it's going to create this flap here. So you want to leave about an inch, and you can measure it if you want, or you can just eyeball it. You want to leave about an inch at the top so that you can see, you know, a difference there, like in the sizes. And again, we're going to line that corner up with that corner. And anyways, so back to this. So we're going to fold this now. And now you see how we've got that gap there. You're going to open this up and we're going to take this fold and put it on the inside, and you can tack that down. You can cut it off if you prefer, but when you close it, now you've got these two. There's pocket one, there's pocket two. And then again, we're going to do the same here. And we're going to take this and we're just gonna fold it again, not very much. Again, take your corner and push it that way. Oh, I think I got it. Here we go. There we go. There we go. And then again, you're gonna open this up. This time you might have to open it all the way, and then you're gonna flip it over. And then when you close it all up again, that's what it looks like. Okay, so now you've got one pocket here, one pocket here, and one pocket here. And then this whole thing can go on any page in your photo album. For example, if you want to put it on this fold out, you can put it there, or you can put it here. Personally, I think I would put it here or over here on this side. And when you glue it down, you're going to want to glue just the 3 sides on the back, which is this side here, and the bottom. And you're gonna glue it down there. You might want to leave this flap open just like this. Or if you glue it, you can glue it down here so that you have a side pocket here where you can slide things in and out of. That's gonna be up to you. But for right now, let's close it up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some glue. And I'm going to leave this open because I want this open. I want to be able to cut out a little blank piece of paper or, cardstock, glue it on there, and make a journaling card out of it. But you see how this is open here? I'm going to glue this part down here with my glue. Just fold it over, press it down, and then we're going to do the same to this little flap here. Push down on that. And then we can glue this here too. Just the edge. So that it's a secure pocket. You can glue up here too if you want to, if you just want to leave this open. I'm just going to leave that open. And then we're going to glue the bottom here. Oops, don't want that on the outside. Here we go. There we go. And if you wanted to, you could take this part here. Well, my phone decided to run out of space right now, but I wanted to show you the finished pocket. I added these embellishments from the sticker page that came with your kit. So I just added on those. And then we glued the bottom here, so now we can't open this anymore. And I glued the side here. And now we can glue this down anywhere in our album. Pick a page, any page. It'll look good there. And then it depends on how you want to glue it down. Add glue to the side here, the bottom, and the side over here on the back. Glue this down. And you still have another pocket there besides all of these pockets. And then this flap still opens up. Or you could glue the top, the bottom, and this side and have an opening over on this side. So that's going to be up to you. But that's your easy project for today. I hope you liked it.